Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Glamour Ellen. In this video, I'm giving you a tour of my master bedroom and loft/office tour for summer 2021. And please stay tuned until the end because I'm going to have an announcement over there. It was an open invitation of I'm co-hosting with, and I hope you participate. Alright everyone, without further ado, welcome to my master bedroom and loft office tour 2021, and I hope you enjoy.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others.
I have my screensaver, which is Hawaii.
Set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire.
Here's my collection of
I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you.
I have
I
my
don't know
thrifted
what
roses
it
there,
is you
flowers, and this one
I
have
just
to
wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. Set my world on fire.
I'm going to leave the link of my bar card and some other pieces here if you guys are interested to check it out.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
And my curtain, I
And
already have the
can't
other,
help but smile.
this one
Do you
for
know
6
how
years.
much I love you?
And
You put
here's
my
my flower
favorite song
arrangement. I'm going to make a
I put
tablescape
my
with this
feet
one.
up,
So this is exactly
and
what I'm
we
gonna
just
put
sing
in my
along. And I can't help but feel
Here, this is
it.
my favorite
Just
plant from
loving
Hobby Lobby.
this moment.
Once again,
Can
my
we stay
designer
here
book.
forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay
This one right here,
together?
I actually actually have that for, I think I believe 6 years. It used to be over there, but I switched them. I'm going to paint this in gold pretty soon. And here's my magazine from Studio Magi at Target. My magazine.
I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking.
Right, my outfit of the day. This one came from Ross for $9.
How much I love you.
And over here, this is my little office for now. And you know, I love animal print.
I can't help but feeling I'm just loving this moment.
So this is the guest room that I'm going to make over my home office.
This moment, can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
Wake me up, I'm getting tired of sleeping. Think I've had enough. I've been gone, but haven't done much healing. It's pretty clear to me. Kinda strange how I can take a beating from my better self. It's like no one else even really scratches the surface. 'Cause nobody gets, nobody gets, nobody gets me. I'm looking for faith, looking for love in every direction. I'm looking for someone to show me the way when my map is torn up. Give me a light.
My quilt came from at home. This is on my haul, and this one is the hotel collection. I really love it because it's very pretty and it is very soft to the touch.
Now I'm up against the wall, and I'm looking for your attention. Wide awake and I'm just scared away for a better chance at a great romance, and I'm just not getting any braver. 'Cause nobody gets, nobody gets, nobody gets me. I'm looking for faith, looking for love in every direction. I'm looking for someone to show me the way.
My wall art from Home Goods.
Give me a light.
This wall art traveling all over the house. Eiffel Tower from Home Goods last year, and I make a tablescape with this one. If you guys would like to check it out, it will be in my iCard.
Now I'm up against
My outfit of the day came Rose. I love rose.
I gave up all of my little addictions, but I'm still stuck with some tough decisions, yeah. Now I'm up against the wall, and I'm looking for your attention. And I'm looking for your attention. Looking for your attention. Looking for your attention. I'm looking for your attention.
Here I combine my metallic curtain from at home and the blue one. This is a part of my haul from Gabe's and it was only $6.69.
I can feel the heat is rising, and the beat is hypnotizing. Oh, no, we run the show. Let's get louder, come on, lose control. Got to live or we get too old. Come on, shine, shine a little tonight. Let's get louder, come on, lose control.
Alright everyone, so my special announcement, I am co-hosting with Coffee with Nadia, first open collaboration, and we are doing a farmhouse, decorate in an area of your home. And lately I've been to this farmhouse because I'm supporting Nadia and Nita by Anuyu for their channel and they're into farmhouse. So you know me, when it comes to farmhouse, I can do that in my tablescape. But my channel, I know that I love glam, but I think I can do some farmhouse as well and make it a little bit glam or either rustic. So I hope guys you can participate, and I will leave all the details in my community tab, so please check it out.
Nothing to prove. I can feel the heat is rising, and
The open invitation of Coffee with Nadia first collaboration will be on June 18th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And this coming Sunday, it is a New You Lifestyle TV by Nita, and it's also a farmhouse, Style Your Space, June 14th at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I hope guys you can participate and let's have some fun. So please check my community tab for those two open invitation coming up. It's not too late to participate. And if you like this video, I hope you consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the bell twice so every time I upload new videos, you will be notified. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye everyone. Be safe.